So today we going to learn a 3-digit numbers, how to expand that 3-digit number and how to place value and face value of the 3-digit numbers. Correct. So in that 3-digit numbers, we will going to see the which place, which numbers will come. So Ridya, you can tell me, there is the number is there. You can say it to me. 234 number is given to me. 234. So Ridya, can you tell me? So which number comes in a ones place?
Ones place 4.
4 number comes in a ones place.
Ones place.
Okay. And which number comes in a 100 place? Sorry,
100.
tens place?
3.
Tens place. 3
Three.
number comes in a tens place. Correct. And which number comes in a 100 place?
2.
2. So this way we going to see the numbers. We get the numbers 200, 3 tens, 4 ones. Correct. 200, 3 tens, 4 ones. So do you know the place value and face value of this number? Okay. The place value. Place value means what? Okay. So this one. This 2 is the face value of this number. 3 is the face value. 4 is the face value. ये क्या हुए उनके face value. And this number we have to going to write in expand form. How to write in expand form? 200. So 200 plus
Plus
30 plus 4. Correct.
4.
So 234. 234. So this way we going to write their expanded form. Correct. So this number we going to write in place value. So इसका हम लोग कैसे? How can we write the place value of this number? See, place value. इसका place value क्या है? What is the place? 2 का place क्या है? What is the place of the 2? 100. What is the place of the 2?
100.
200. Yes. What is the place of the 3? 3 का place क्या है? 3 tens. 3 tens means what we
3
write?
0.
Third. Correct.
3
And
0.
what is the place value of the 4? Yes, very good. What is the place of the 4? It's a ones. 4 ones. 4
0.
1. Going to be write the place value of the number 200 plus 30 plus 4. It's the place value of the number, and this way we're going to expand the number. And next we're going to see the face value. Face value क्या है? What is the face value? Let me see. Face value is as it is. 2 is the face value. 2, then 3 and 4 is the face value. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने उसके आगे 100, tens, ones को कुछ नहीं मेंशन किया. 2 is the face value. उसका face जो सामने दिखता है वो उसका face value होता है. Place value मतलब उसकी जगह क्या है? 2 की जगह क्या है? 2 का place क्या है? 100 place है उसका. 3 का place क्या है? 30 place है. 4 का place 4 ones. Okay. So this way we have to write the face value and the face value. So I share my screen in front of you. You can observe that screen. Bhumi, I unmute you, Bhumi.
Yes, teacher.
Students, in previous lecture, we already seen the 100, tens and ones. These are the 3-digit numbers. Okay. So whichever number comes in a 100 place, we can call them 100. Whichever place in a tens place, so we can call them a tens. Correct. So now we're going to see a place value and the face value of the number. What is the place value? Place value means what? Every digit in a number has a place. Every digit. वो digit कौन सा भी रहने दो. 1 digit रहने दो, 2 digit रहने दो, 3 digit रहने दो, 4 digit. Whichever digit numbers we have that has their place. That has their place. So it is called a place value. each digit its value from the place it occupies. जैसे कि is the place, tens वो भी एक place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000, lakh, millions, crores. These all are the places of the digits. So in second standard, we're going to see a 3-digit numbers. In that 3-digit numbers, we can going to see the place value and the face value of the number. That's a 100, tens and ones. 100, tens and ones. So in that 100, tens and ones, we're going to see the what is the place value of the exact number and what is the face value. Face value मतलब जो सामने हमें दिखाई देता है ना, that is the face value. वो क्या होता है? Face value. और place value उसका exactly place क्या है? That is the place value. You can see in your screen. Here is the number is given 842. 842. So 8 is the face value. 4 also face value and 2 also face value. वो face value हुआ. लेकिन what is the place value? PLACE, place value. उसका place value क्या है? So how can we identify the place value? So we can see 8. 8 क्या है? 100. 8 क्या है? 100. 4 क्या है? Tens. 8 is a 100 place. 4 is a tens place and 2 is a ones place. So 800. So we can write over here 800. 800. 4 tens, it means we can write a 40. And 2 ones, it means a 2. So this way we're going to see the place value of the number. 800, 4 tens, 2 ones. जो ones, tens, 100. That is the place value of the number. That is the place value of the number. So I'll give you some example to you on the screen. You can identify which are the place value and which are the face value. Face value मतलब क्या होता है? वो exactly जो सामने दिखाई देता है ना. So that is the face value of the number. ये जो सामने दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको, I'll show you. ये जो number से that is the face value. वो कौन सा भी रहने दो number. Whichever number is there, that is the face value. But place it means अभी ये 8 कौन से place पे है? Which is the place of the 8? So we can, it's a 100 place. 4 it's a tens place and 2 is a ones place. तो ये उसका क्या हुआ? Place हुआ. ये उसका क्या हुआ? Place हुआ. Correct. Now you can see over here, I unmute one of the students. That student will tell me the exact number of the given slide. Mansi, I unmute you, Mansi. Mansi Kare. Yes, Mansi. Yes, Mansi, you can see on the screen. There is some blocks there. Some blocks are there. Some cubes are there on the screen. Okay, you can see the A question. Question number A. Okay. See this can you can see. So
Yes.
this is the 100. This is 100. So how many hundreds are there? Just count and tell me. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? Yes. Sanjita, I unmute you. Sanjita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Sanjita. I show you the hundreds over here. These are the 100. The square box are there, na? These are the hundreds. So just count and tell me how many hundreds are there. कितने hundreds है वो? देखो 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds are there? There are 500. HTO. So how many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds are there. Correct. 5 hundreds are there. Then next we can see how many tens are there. So these are the tens. 1, 2. So how many tens are there? 2 tens are there. And how many ones are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3. So how many ones are there? 3. So what number we will get over here? 500, 2 tens, 3 ones. What we get? 500,
500.
tens, 3 ones. Correct. So this 523. So how can we write these numbers? You can see over here. How can we expand this number? 500. So 500 plus 2 tens, it means a 20 plus 3. So this way we will going to get the number 523. 523. So how can we write this number in word? FIVE 5, FIVE 5, 100, HUNDRED 100, and 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 20, TWENTY 23, THREE 3. So this way we're going to write the numbers in word. Okay, so this way we expand the numbers. Now I have to identify the place value of this number. Okay, so I'll show the place value of this number. So you can see on the screen the place value. Okay. So place value क्या है इसका? 500. 5 का place value क्या है? What is the place value of the 5? 500. So what we write? 500. What is the place value of the 2? 2 tens, it's a 20. Yes. And what is the place value of the 3? It's a 3 only. Okay. It is the place value of this number. It is the place value of this number. And how can we write the face value of this number? Face value. Face मतलब जो सामने है वो. Face सामने क्या है? 5, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. ये उसका क्या हुआ? Face value. क्या हुआ? Face value. Understand? Everyone understand place value and face value? So in the textbook, page number 24, the second question is given. I unmute you, another student. That student will tell me how many hundreds are there and how many tens and ones are there. Pragati Kamble, I unmute you, Pragati. Pragati Kamble.
Yes.
Okay, Pragati, in our textbook, there is a second question. So tell me how many hundreds are there? कितने hundreds है वो बताओ मुझे.
3.
Count करो जो box है ना, the box that is the 100. How many hundreds are there?
300.
Just count it properly, beta.
400.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds are there. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds are there. And just count how many tens are there. कितने tens है?
3.
Count करो. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are there. And how many ones are there?
2.
1 and 2. Yes, there are 2 ones are there. So this number how to write in expand form? Expand form में कैसे लिखेंगे? ऐसे लिखा ना हम लोग ने 432. So what number we get? 400, 3 tens and 2 ones. It means what we get? 432. Correct. So how to write in expand form? Tell me.
400.
Expand form में कैसे लिखेंगे? Yes. 432
32.
plus 30 plus 2. Then we will get the number 432. And how can we write in words? इसको words में कैसे लिखेंगे? ऐसे 400 FOUR 400 HUNDRED 100 432. समझ में आया? Okay. Now how to write the face value of this number? इसका face value कैसे लिखेंगे? How can we write the face value? Okay. हमें नंबर मिला है. कौन सा नंबर मिला है? What number we get over here? What number we get? क्या है number?
432.
400. Yes, 400.
432.
Then 432. So how can we read this number? 400, 3 tens, 2 ones. And the same number we can going to write in words 432. So do you know the place value of this number? मुझे place बताना है. कौन से number का क्या place है? Okay, what is the place value of the 4? 4 का place क्या है?
8.
What is
100.
yes?
100.
Yes. So how can we write here? 400.
400.
Right over here, 400. 4 का place है 400. What is the place of the 3? 3 का place क्या है?
3 tens. 330.
3 क्या है? 3 tens. 3 tens means what? 3 tens means what?
30.
3 tens means what? 30. And what is the place of the 2? का place क्या है?
2.
2 1. 2 ones it means a 2 only. Okay. 2 ones it means a 2 only. So these are the place of this number. These are the place of this number. And same number we can write. What is the face value of this number? The face value is the same as it is. जो सामने उसका नंबर है 432. It's a place value. 432. It's a face value of this number. Okay, उसका face सामने दिखाई दिया वो उसका place नहीं पूछा. Face क्या है? 432. It's the face value of the number. So I hope understand everyone face value and the place value of the number. Okay. Now I unmute another student. That student will tell me. Siddharth Pradhan, I unmute you. Siddharth Pradhan, I unmute you, Siddharth. Please unmute from your side. Yes, Siddharth, you can tell me the second last one. Is C. How many hundreds are there? Just count and tell me. How many hundreds are there? Arvita, I unmute you. Tell me how many hundreds are there? Okay. I hear. Yes, Arvita, just count 100 and tell me how many hundreds are there. कितने hundreds है? यहाँ पे कितने hundreds है? Tell me. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 3 tens.
Four ones.
Yes, very good. 600, 3 tens, 4 ones. So this number we going to write in expand form. 600 plus 3 tens, it means a 30 plus 4 ones. So we will get 634. So this number we going to write in words. How to write in words? 634. SIX 6. Okay. So this way we're going to write this number 634. And how can we write the place value of this number? The place value of this number is the place. What is the place value of the 6? Yes, what is the place value of the 6? It's the 600. What is the place value of the 3? It's a 3 tens. And place value of the 4 is a 4 ones only. So, and what is the face value? We can write only this. 634 is the face value of the number. So this way we're going to see a place value and the face value of the numbers. So I hope everyone understand the place value and the face value of the numbers. Okay. So in that screen, there is some numbers are there. There is some numbers are there, and you can see that numbers and tell me just count the abacus and tell me the number. What number will come exactly? Okay, I unmute another student. That student name is Swara. I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Swara. Yes, Swara.
Yes.
See, in your screen, here we're going to count the numbers and write the numbers. Okay.
Yes.
So first is did for us. पहले एक हम लोग को करके दिया है उन्होंने. So how many? There is a 5 bits are there. It means 500. 6 bits it's 6 tens, and 9 bits it's a 9 ones. Now we're going to see you can see here how many bits are there. How many bits are there? See in your screen.
910.
Just count.
934.
4 just see properly. 100 place is the 9. 100 place is the 9. Correct.
And 30.
Tens place is the 3. And how many ones place? There is the 6.
6.
So 936. 936. So this way we're going to write this number 900. How to expand this number? 900 plus 30 plus 6. So this way we expand this number. And how to write the place value? What is the place value of the 9? It's 100. 900. What is the place value of the 6? It's a 30. And what is the place value of the 6? It's a 6. Correct. Now I unmute another student. That student will tell me another answer. The student name is Zui Mohite. I unmute you. Zui. See in your screen.
Yes.
Second question is there. Hundreds are there. Just tell me. Just count the bits and tell me how many hundreds are there.
1, 2, 3.
ये beats count करो. Blue beats. First वाले blue beats count करो. How many beats are there?
8.
8 bits. It means what we call 800. These 100 tens and ones. Correct. 800. How many ones? How many tens?
1.
800. 1 and how many ones? 8 ones. So what number we will get over here? 818. 818. So how we expand this number? 800. 800 means what? 800. 800 plus 1 tens. How we write 1 tens? It means a 10 and 8 ones. So this way we expand the number. So how in this, what is the place value of the 8? What is the place value of the 8? It's a 800. And what is the place value of the 1? It's a 110. It means a 10. And what is the place value of the number? 8 ones, it means 8. Understand? So this way we going
Yes.
to write the place value, face value, expand the number of the numbers and write in words. Words में कैसे लिखेंगे? 800, EIGHT 8, जैसे EIGHT 800, 18, 818. Understand? So I hope
Yes.
everyone understand the value, face value, and the expand of the number and numbers in words. Okay, these all numbers are correlated to each other. अगर हम लोग को प्लेस वैल्यू समझ में आया तो हमें ऑटोमेटिक फेस वैल्यू समझ में आता है. Face value, place value, we understand, we come to know how to expand the number. If we expand the number, we come to know how to write in words the numbers. Okay, so I hope everyone understand these things. Now we will going to do a small assessment. Okay, thank you everyone.